Care package alert. Let's see what we got in here, yo. I think I know what this is. Oh shit. Oh, this is fire. This is hot damn. Smells like
tacos.
And it's your boy Fili back again here with Diminati. We're doing another review, but if you want to see the review on these, you can look at the previous video because we're reviewing something called the Ambush Dunks. I just got these in the mail as I was reviewing the Amamier, the Air Jordan 3, and we automatically went straight to the door, and lo and behold, look what came in. Personally, looking at the shoe, to be honest, when I first saw them, I actually thought it was just a concept shoe that someone actually created in their spare time. But when I actually saw that Nike was actually gonna release a shoe, I was like, yo, say less. Like, this is a must cop for me. For me personally, not every shoe's like that, but you always want to buy a shoe just to see it in person. Because unfortunately nowadays, you can't just go into a store and pick up a shoe and be like, oh, that's really nice. Those days are over. You actually have to purchase the shoe itself to even see if it fits you and to see if you like it aesthetically. By the way, these are straight personally cop, no bots, no nothing. Don't ask how I got them, just know that I got them. And like I do best, there's maybe two boxes, but one's for the homie and one is for myself. So I take care of mine. But what I think about this shoe in regards to how they put it together, it's amazing. Like the wax laces, amazing. The foam tongue, amazing. If you take a look at how they put their clothing together, on a fashion point of view, I like it. It's something that I would wear on the man's side of stuff. On the man's side of, their t-shirts or jeans or anything like that. And I think a shoe like this would go very well with the presence that they want to have with their fashion point of view. Now you can wear this with almost everything, and what I would rock these with is distressed denim right away. So value, yeah, well, before they were released, already doubled in price, depending on your size. Obviously sizing always matters when it comes to resale. So when, like, obviously the smaller sizes always sell for more. Obviously they call them base sizes because a lot of girls have smaller feet, so they want these shoes, and guys will spend the money on their girls because it's a thing to do. But also the bigger sizes go for a lot more too, just because they are hard to get, and people who have bigger, wider feet tend to have a hard time looking for the shoes. And if you think about it, the people that have the bigger and wider feet are majority athletes, and they got bank. So I mean, you can make money off that real quick and easy. But if you're looking at the average size, they have doubled up in the average size, which is usually between, I would say, an 8 to like a 10 and a half, 11. You're definitely gonna get double the price if you plan on purchasing. And depending on what platform you use, you're gonna be looking at fees, obviously, as well as shipping. So it may cost you more than just double the price of the shoe. As far as I know, Ambush hasn't released any low cuts in regards to their dunks, but they have released other colorways previously. So a black one, as well as a fuchsia color, which is like an all pink, which I'm surprised those didn't go for a lot more than what they should be going, what I personally think they should be going for. Because I mean, fuchsia is just a color that pops out. So if you just wear everything black in those, I think that's a dope outfit right there. In my opinion, the black ones are just as fire, or actually, because it's such a plain and simple colorway, people are attracted to that more. It's just because it's black and white. But I like things that kind of pop out more, because if you put something that really pops out at the bottom and then everything else just looks plain, the outfit's still gonna look fire. When Nike teams up with any designer, they always want to put premium aesthetics to the shoe and materials. So they're gonna use premium leathers, they're gonna use, premium laces. In this case, like waxed laces are something that doesn't just come on any shoe. And if you, as far as I know, coming from a place that works in the corporate environment as well, I always like rocking waxed laces with my dress shoes. It gave it a nice touch to it, very, very clean. So wax laces on a runner, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. It gives it such a clean look. And when wax laces age, they look beautifully aged. So putting wax laces and giving them 3 pairs of laces is something that you must do, especially if you're a designer or someone that's collaborating with a shoe company.
The bottom part, it might look white, but it's actually an off-white.
It's actually like an eggshell. Yeah, it's an off-white eggshell look. Again, going to that vintage look, I personally like it. I think it's dope that they did that. If it was pure white, I wouldn't be mad at it too. And if it was all blue, I mean, that would have been pretty cool too. But it's a clean shoe. I mean, when you add that off-white eggshell look to the bottom or the midsole to make a clean shoe, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. So you can't go wrong with this. You can't go wrong with this.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10? I rate these shoes, I want to give them an 8. An 8.
I will give them...
Because they're just simple. Like, I like simple. Simple can get 10 at times. But compared to other shoes that I've seen this year drop and how well they executed details, I would give this an 8.
I would give them a number, but you interrupted me.
Your numbers don't count here, son.